Welcome to lesson number 8, HOSA Conference Management System, or HOSA CMS for short. The HOSA CMS is the system where you will affiliate individuals to officially become a member for the year, and where you will register for all HOSA conferences. Remember lesson number 1? Your chapter ID and password are the two pieces of information you will need to access the HOSA CMS. There are two parts to this lesson. Part 1 is focused on HOSA affiliation, again, how to sign your members up for HOSA, and in Part 2 we will show you how to use the CMS to register for HOSA conferences. Let's get started. Part 1, HOSA CMS affiliation. In order to become an official HOSA member, students and advisors must affiliate in the HOSA system and pay affiliation dues. National affiliation dues are $10 per person. Each state has an affiliation fee as well, so you will need to check with your state association. Whatever the total amount, chapters are responsible for paying the fees each year. Once a member is affiliated in the system, they cannot be removed from the system, and therefore dues must be paid. Affiliation best practice is to make sure you have your members' payment before you affiliate them. The great thing about the affiliation process is that you can do it multiple times at any time throughout the HOSA year. So you do not need to affiliate everyone at the same time. To access the HOSA CMS, go to www.apps.hosa.org. Enter your charter login and password. If you do not have this information, please refer to Lesson 1 on how to get this information from your state association. To start adding members, select the large plus sign. You are now officially starting a new chapter affiliation application. Please read the instructions. As a reminder, if you do not have time to complete the application in one sitting, all of your data will be retained until you return. If you have any issues during this process, you can contact support@hosa.org. Step 2 is chapter information. Here you can update chapter information at any time, such as the name of your school or HOSA chapter, the primary and secondary advisors, the chapter's email and phone number, which this is usually advisor's email and phone number, billing and shipping address, and more. Read through the recognition and activities section to see if any of these options are applicable to your chapter. Step 3 is membership information. If you have any returning members who were affiliated last year, select yes. A list of members you affiliated in the previous year will appear, and you can select from that list instead of re-entering student information again. If you do not have any returning members, select no. To enter new members, fill out the information in this box. Prior to the affiliation process, it would be helpful to create a sign-up sheet, Google form, or spreadsheet for members to fill out with specific information. That way, you have this information prior to starting the process. Once you have added members, the list of members for the year will appear here. If there are any errors or changes that need to be made, select that members box to edit the information. Remember, advisors need to affiliate and pay dues as well. Step 4 is demographics. Here you will fill out the specific demographics about your chapter. This can be edited at any time. Step 5 is fees. A summary of the members you affiliated will appear here along with national and state dues. It is important to read the chapter application agreement before submitting. Some key reminders are: members cannot be removed once submitted. HOSA recommended best practice is to collect the affiliation fees prior to entering in members' names if you are unsure they will join. You need to check this box before you are able to submit. Remember, if you are not ready to submit, at any time you can leave this page and all information will be saved. Once you are ready, submit the application. The 6th page is optional payment information. HOSA makes it easy to pay upon application submission with a credit card. If this is not an option for you and your school, you can send a check to HOSA Future Health Professionals. Once you finish the application and back on the home screen, you will see the number of members you affiliated and balance if applicable. Select the word balance or account statement at any time to view your account statement. If you click this list button, it will provide you with a different viewing list of your members. If you have started an affiliation application and did not submit it or need to finish another time, you will see this button here. Select it when you are ready to continue. Some other features on this page that are helpful to know are: 1. By selecting the tan triangle at the top, it will take you to the home page. 2. The Membership tab will give you some reports you might find useful. The Activity Review is a report for members with service hours. We will go over this in part 2 of this lesson. Affiliation applications will show you the different applications you've submitted for the year. Or you can select the Export Members and print a roster or convert into a spreadsheet if needed. Any invoices for your chapter can be found here at the Invoices tab. Remember that chapter information page during the affiliation application? If you need to change any of that information throughout the year and don't need to submit a new application, click here to access that page and update the information. That's it for the HOSA CMS affiliation application process. Next up is the conference registration, but first, let's do some review.